Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today, got a secret. Been holding on to something, been gatekeeping, okay? It's Tobias. Should we tell him Tobias? Homeboy Tobias got in the comment section. He was like, hey, listen, I know something that you need to know about. I took to, what was it? Amazon. I took to Amazon, and $23 later, I was happy, all right? I ain't gonna waste too much time. Bam! Lapidus. Now, something Tobias might not know, Lapidus means from stone, all right? So I'm giving back to the community, giving back to Tobias. Thank you so much, Tobias. Really appreciate you coming through with this. We're not gonna waste a whole lot of time. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into it. I'm gonna put the box inside, or it takes off and ends up a quarter mile away. Very masculine, very traditional as far as like, I don't know. To me, this smells extremely vintage. These are the type of fragrances I grew up smelling. Key point here, we're gonna get this on the back of the wrist. Key point here is 23 bucks. All right, now this says it's a toilette, but it's a grown toilette, all right? This thing lasts probably 4 to 5 hours, if not longer than that. And it smells amazing. It's got that vintage barbershop, slightly abrasive, slightly in your face. Think boss number one. Boss number one, that's what this is. Think boss number one. It's slight, it has a real pungent smell. It's almost sour, but it's also sweet, woodsy, super masculine. It's a good time. It's a good time, all right? And I've been holding on to this for a couple months. Good gracious. Focus. I've been holding on to this for a couple months. And I quite like it. I think this would be a great daily scent. It's not something I would break out for a special occasion or anything wild or... I think this is a very personal scent, but at the same time, I think if you wear this, you would stand out because they just don't make things like this anymore outside of like the newer ones. But this isn't something that like Dior is gonna be putting out anytime soon. I really enjoy it. We're gonna go ahead and get into some of the notes here. If I can find them. There we go. So woody, sweet, aromatic, ambery, honey, balsamic, fresh spice, warm spice, tobacco, and powdery. All in one take. Let's get into some of the notes here. You gotta love those vintage notes. All 800 of them. You got pineapple, lavender, which you can smell. Artemisia, juniper berries, which you can't smell. Basil, lemon, which you definitely can smell. Bergamot, honey, in the middle notes. Honey, incense, pine tree, rose. That's a surprising one. Brazilian wood, jasmine, orris root, caraway, lily of the valley, and petitgrain. And in the base you have tobacco, patchouli, oak moss, which you can't smell, vanilla, amber, sandalwood, which you can't smell, tonka bean, and cedar, which you definitely smell. And it gives you just a very, it's kind of comforting. You definitely do get the tobacco. I believe it gives it that spice. The juniper berries kick in, and the oak moss is very strong. It's very, very familiar. It kind of reminds me of, I know I'm kind of gonna catch heat saying this, but it kind of reminds me of Boss Number One, but also Drakkar Noir, which isn't too strange because Boss Number One is very reminiscent of Drakkar. So again, this one is from a recommendation from Tobias. You can get this on Amazon for like 20 bucks. I highly recommend you check it out. You have nothing to lose. Well, $23, but I mean, that'll get inflated away anyway. So you might as well go ahead and spend it on something that you like. And again, I guarantee nobody else will be rocking this. This is very unique, very special. It doesn't do a whole lot of evolution on the skin, so don't expect to spray it one way and for it to turn into something else. Pretty much how it starts is how it goes. It's very linear that way. But I like this a lot, guys. I really, really do. I haven't gotten any compliments on this one. Kind of been wearing this one, you know, alone, just testing it out and everything. But I'm way behind on this. I think I might do like a serious review on this. I'm still unpacking and getting everything going. So if you guys are very interested on a head-to-head with this, maybe Drakkar Noir, Boss #1, or more fragrances like this, let me know. Tobias, please, all your recommendations, list them. I will definitely check those out. You have a great nose, my friend. Other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching. One thing I know for sure, YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.